day, no time to cook. This simple tomato rasam is ready in just 10 minutes. Perfect for busy women, bachelors, students, or anyone wanting quick, comforting food. Let's make this easy and delicious rasam. Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing a super quick tomato rasam recipe using simple pantry ingredients. No grinding, no complicated steps, and still full of flavor. This rasam tastes amazing with hot rice and papadum. Let's check out the ingredients. We have 3 medium-sized tomatoes quartered. We also have 4 cloves garlic chopped, 1 inch ginger chopped, 1 big onion chopped, 1 dried chilli, and 2 sprigs curry leaves. Also 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 2 teaspoons cumin powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and half teaspoon black pepper powder. Also some asafoetida powder. First, place tomatoes in a pan. Add about 2 cups water. Cover and bring to a boil. Then simmer for a few minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, you'll find that the tomatoes have softened. Cover and leave aside to cool down. In the meantime, take some tamarind in a bowl. Add 1 cup water and squeeze out the juice. You can discard the seeds. Now add all the spice powders into the tamarind extract and mix well. Once the tomatoes have cooled down slightly, mash them with a masher like this. Heat up a pan. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Then add 1 teaspoon mixed mustard. Allow to splatter. Then add all the chopped ingredients. Once the onion has become golden brown, we can add the mashed tomatoes. Also add the tamarind mixture we prepared earlier. Next, add water and let the rasam simmer gently. Add salt according to taste. Give it a mix. Cover and bring to a gentle boil. Once you see froth forming on top, switch off the flame. Do not overboil the rasam because that fresh flavor will be gone. Cover and leave aside for about 10 minutes for the spices to seep into the herbal soup. Now add some curry leaves and shredded coriander leaves for garnishing. I don't have coriander leaves today, so I am omitting it. Our comforting 10-minute tomato rasam is now ready. This is one of the easiest recipes for busy weekdays and lazy cooking days. It can be served with hot rice and some papadum, or added at the end of a spicy meal to aid in digestion. If you have flu, this soup is traditionally believed to help soothe a painful throat and reduce phlegm. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share and subscribe for more simple vegan recipes. And let me know in the comments which type of rasam is your favorite. See you in the next video.